Who that? Who that? Me. Get this bag. Again. She did it again. And again. And again, and again, and again, and again, and ooh, and again, and again, and again.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're doing a Pretty Little Thing haul. These is heavy, like I'm about to break my back holding them. I'm gonna show you some outfits that gonna make you look like a bad bee. So these outfits are pretty much outfits you wear to like parties, clubs, if you're going on a date night, so and so. So please enjoy, like, comment, you know, share, you know the vibes. I love this little one arm type of twist thing. This is just different. I think it's quite different. I feel like I look like Kim Possible. She had like cargo boots like this. I would wear these with sock boots, as these are cargo pants. They would go perfectly. This is also from PrettyLittleThing. At the bottom they become tighter, so it's not just like wide leg. So I'm trying to show you my foot. I can't keep my leg up. So unfit. This outfit with this bag as well. Who gon' check me? The one thing I don't like about these jeans is the fact that they're too big. Like, they fit everywhere else. They're supposed to be this baggy. If they were any tighter, it would be uncomfortable. I just want it to be like, you know, sucked. I would suggest probably wearing a belt with this. In the picture, the top was like this, but it's really not trying to stay. So I think I'm gonna wear it like this, because unless I iron it flat down, but I think it looks better like this anyway. It's kind of cute, these shorts with this top. It's defo a must keep. I like the fabric. It's nice and tight and it feels smooth. The fabric is peg. It's just like smooth. Damn. Damn, 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 damn. I need sleep. This floor's trying to kill me. I feel like a little cowgirl, but I like it. I feel like I should have a little hat. Imagine there's a hat on my head. Cowgirl. Who that? Who that? Me. Get this bag. Again. She did it again. And again. And again, and again, and again, and again, and ooh, and again, and again, and again, and again. Nah, but this outfit is cute. Like, this is another thing I'd wear to the club. Like, this whole video is about clothes you can't wear to the club. If this doesn't scream, ooh, who that? Then what does? I would like to wear my little clear heels with this one, as obviously it has no colour. It's just cute. It goes with the outfit. These are the Shape black PU split trousers. So at the bottom, I don't know if you can see, they're split. Ignore my toes, we in quarantine. I haven't had time to paint them. So this is cute. I'm quite short, so it's kind of touching the ground, but I'm sure when I wear heels, it won't be touching the ground. But one thing I don't like about these trousers is the fact that when I'm walking, my feet are sticking together. Can you hear that? Everyone's gonna be hearing me walking up to them. I'm gonna have to walk like this. Oh, and it still makes noise. But we cute. It doesn't matter if it makes noise, because you still look cute. I'm wearing a size 8 and a size 8 in the top as well. This fits perfect. Like, it fits perfect, and I would definitely recommend you buy this too, because like I look cute. I feel like if you sweat quite a lot, it's gonna be really hard to wear these trousers, because it's really, can you hear that? This top This is a bodysuit. When I saw this on the site, I did not know it was gonna come this fabric. It's basically the same fabric as the trousers-ish, but I thought it was gonna come like, you know them corset tops? The fabric they come in, but this is a much better fabric. I feel like it stays up more. It's got like metal bands in there so that, you know, your top ain't falling off. If you wear these, you look like a bad bee. Bad bee, what? Bad. With your long ass ponytail. I would recommend wearing this outfit to the club because this is cute. Or out for drinks with the girls. So this bag is called the Black Croc One Handle bag. Look, oh my God. This outfit got me feeling like Beyonce. This bag is so cute. You can fit your little phone in there. You can fit your money in there. You can fit your... This is defo an outfit. This is defo something I am keeping. Alright, I'm gonna stop now. On to the next. Did somebody say bad bee? I gotta get that. Like, I gotta get that. Because we need some colour. I never really wear anything colourful, so I thought, nah, this is my chance to get something colourful that looks bougie as well. This is an oversized boyfriend blazer. I think it's quite cute because it's like, it's not really fitted, it's just kind of like baggy, kind of cash. When I was ordering this online, I didn't know that this top was going to come in this fabric. It's kind of like grittily. The denim shorts as well, kind of cash. The lace top, also cash. So I could wear this to the club because it looks like boom. Do you get what I mean when I say like boom? I feel like I'll step into the club like, who's you? Who's me? I got this in a size 8, the jean shorts in a size 8 and the top in a size 8 as well. And obviously my cute little bag. Yeah. And it's quite comfortable, like I just feel free. I like the way, you know when you buy jean shorts and it's too big around the waist? It's not big around the waist. I could wear it without a belt. One of the outfits with a cute little bag. When I tell you I had to iron this outfit about 6 times and I still don't think it's ironed enough. This fabric is really easy to like crease and you know, I think it's kind of cute though. Right, I'll give you a little 12. Ooh. Ooh. This hair's making me feel like a bad bee. With this outfit, I suggest you just wear a clear pair of heels because it goes with the colour and it's cute. Who gonna check you if you're wearing this outfit? I look like I'm off to the army. I'm off to the army. Step into the club, put your bag on your shoulder, look at X and say, who that? Who that? I don't know how I would feel if I wore this outfit outside. I am too damn silly. This outfit is so simple, but it speaks to me at the same time. Like, see the front of me, I look cash. I turn around, you see this beautiful design. I literally love what's on this. I feel like I have a thing for simple outfits because I just feel like simplistic things look 10 times better. Like your face is all beat, but your outfit's kind of simple but nice at the same time. Like you don't got to be doing too much, and it's just cute. Like so simple but so cute at the same time. Like these boots are like suede. They look massive, but believe me, this is a size 4. So I suggest you go a size down when you're buying this. Another dress that is just so simple but so cute at the same time. Like, this is why I love PrettyLittleThing. This is like an oriental type of dress. I've seen that PrettyLittleThing, I've added quite a few oriental things onto there. And pretty much all of them are nice. They all look quite similar, that's the one thing. So it's like when you're trying to pick between them, it's hard to choose because they're all very similar. This one is so cute. I had to choose it. Yes, this outfit. Tick, tick, tick. Onto my list. Tick, 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 tick. Cause who gonna check me whilst I'm wearing this? With this PrettyLittleThing dress on, who gonna check you? Nobody. This fabric is like a mesh type fabric, and underneath it is like just white. So yeah, I think it's kind of cute. And if you see the bottom, I don't know if you can see, this is where the white underlayer stops, and then it just continues as mesh, and it's kind of like flowy at the bottom. You have this little string where you can obviously tighten it so like the dress becomes more ribbed. I've already made it ribbed, but so obviously you can have it like that. Let me stretch out. You can have it like that, but the way I saw the model wearing it was like she'd obviously pulled that so it becomes ribbed, and then obviously tied it. This little outfit, literally all over the gram, and I just thought to myself, I gotta have one. Like, it's just so cute and simple. I wouldn't necessarily wear it to the club, but I might wear it out like for drinks, maybe. Actually, this could possibly do for the club. Maybe it's too much black, but you know, it's nice. I feel like I'd be really hot though if I wore this in summer because it's quite thick. It's good quality because it's thick as well. We don't want no see-through skirt, see-through top. So I do quite like this. If I removed the bag and just wore like trainers, you could wear it outside. But that's not a bit of me, is it? I like to go all out, so we bring the bag in, and we also wear heels, and this look, complete. Love it. Anyways guys, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and comment. If you want more videos like this, let me know. Much love, Ruth Rockwel.